Hi, good morning, Dylan. How are you?
Good, thanks.
How was your day today?
It was very, very exciting.
All
I
right.
passed my test.
How was your exam? What test?
I was very nervous,
Mm-hmm.
but my instructor was very good, taught me a lot, and taught me how to pass on my first try.
And was it your first attempt?
Yeah, first attempt.
So when you started with your instructor, uh, did you have doubts like you're going for VORT or CBT&A? How did
Yeah.
he help you?
At first, I was going to go for my logbook, but then I realized that would take a long time, so I decided to do my VORT instead, and I got my license and passed very quickly.
Yeah. Did you think that you were ready very soon, or your instructor asked you to go for it?
My instructor asked me to go for it. I didn't think I was ready, but then he thought I was ready. So I did my test and I passed.
So did he push you out of your boundaries,
Yeah, he
out of
did,
your comfort
definitely
zone?
did.
And how did
Definitely.
it help?
Helped me to be confident in myself.
Yep.
And to just push through.
And how are his last minute trainings?
The last minute training the night before was very helpful. Helped me revise everything I need to know, work on some little things that I need to take care of, and I passed, the next day.
So score out of 10, how would you give? How much?
10 out of 10.
Oh, thank you so much. And you recommend to your friends and family members?
Of course.
Yep. And whenever you have any issues with doubts with roads, let me know. I'll be always helpful. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.